We are pleased to show you the 2017 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, power brakes, battery saver, tire pressure monitoring system, body color door handles, braking assist, front license plate bracket. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.